take 2 milliliters of xylene in a small beaker. Use the pasture pipette provided with the reagent bottle. There is the 1 ml mark here. Transfer that 1 ml to the beaker. Withdraw another milliliter of xylene. Again, notice the level of xylene in the pipette. So you have taken 2 milliliters of xylene in the beaker. Now use a pasture pipette to transfer this xylene into the round bottom flask. Of course, we will have to take off this setup here. Carefully lower the jack and move it to a side. Now you just have to disconnect this top setup and holding it in your one hand, transfer xylene to the round bottom flask. That is the entire 2 milliliters of xylene. Now we can put this back in. And make a note of the level of liquid that is in this round bottom flask, because next time when we do the distillation, we want to continue the distillation till this volume is reduced by approximately half. Okay, so mentally note down the level of the liquid. Insert the round bottom flask back into the sand bath. Be careful, this may be hot now. Push the sand back so that it is covering the entire liquid portion in the round bottom flask. Adjust the position of the collecting tube. And continue the distillation. You will continue to heat it till the temperature rises up to 112 and then starts going back. So continue to heat till the temperature starts going up and then it comes down below 112 degrees centigrade. Or we could also notice the initial volume of the liquid after adding oxylene and continue the distillation till that volume has been reduced by half. Once that is done, again discontinue heating by removing the wooden block and let it cool, and then we can disconnect the apparatus. Then there will be the workup of the product mixture that we have collected. Okay, now it has cooled, and notice that we have about half the volume of the starting contents in this round bottom flask after finishing the distillation. What we are going to do is work up on the product mixture that we got. So let us just bring this down. Make sure that your heating is turned back to 0 at this point by turning the variac to 0 and turning the switch off. And then you take your reaction tube or the centrifuge tube out and place the cover on the centrifuge tube. And now we have finished collecting the first crude product mixture from dehydration of methyl cyclohexanol.